I guess that's why they call it singing from the treetops. Do they even say singing from the treetops? Or they say singing from the rooftops? I think there's an expression, singing from the treetops. I can't tell. I think it's an oriole. Maybe it's a tanager. I'll look it up when I get home, but he, and I'm assuming it's a he, is making a racket to get his lady to come on in. And beautiful racket. Singing from the treetops, trying to get the ladies, I'm assuming. It's March 27th. Beautiful early spring day. What else do people want to do on an early spring day? What else do critters want to do on an early spring day but get it on? So I think that oriole or tanager has just returned and is looking to make things happen here in Maine, just like us. You okay, Dan? Dan just fell over or something. He didn't really fall over, but he's sitting down for some reason. And I'm out here just walking around and had a really busy mind, and then I was abruptly interrupted with my neurosis. I was abruptly interrupted by this beautiful bird song, which is the oriole that I shared, or tanager. I'll let you know in the comments when I figure it out. I can't see because he is so far up there. And I love spring. It's gardening season. The snow is melting fast. The snow is melting fast, and I'm on my way out to collect the game camera that I put out by the river before it floods and floats away. So we'll see what activity we have there. Hopefully some beaver activity. I think it was a bank den. I positioned the camera by the bank den of where I believe there may be some beaver or otter activity, so we shall see. And then it's off to pick up some maple syrup, do some chores for rent, and garden away. On and on we go. And so enjoy the day. It's lovely, it's peaceful, it's beautiful, and there's bird song everywhere. Let it interrupt your thoughts. Take pause. Place your hand on your heart and give thanks and gratitude for what is available to us in this very moment, every day. Thanks, y'all. Anna with Homesteading Yurt Life, Roots to Roof, Off-Grid Living, Business Startup, Gardening. That's what I'm here for, and beyond. Limitless, folks. We're limitless. Remember that.